Whose wrench is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in the shop today with this 1966 Chevrolet Impala. It's a big block car, turbo 400. Belongs to a friend of mine. Just helping her get it back on the road so she can go out and do some wicked sweet burnouts with it. This car kind of needs a little bit of everything. Needs attention to the brakes, wiring, rear end, shocks, suspension, all that fun stuff. So we're going to dive into this thing and have a whole crap ton of fun. Join me. This is a big block car. It's a 402 cubic inch big block Chevrolet. It's pretty mild. It's got a little comp thumper cam in it. Stock heads. This block had to get sleeved. If I remember correctly, it's been a while since I put this thing together. Probably 3 years or so. It's been kind of hanging around.
Wow, that's really loud.
Yeah, thanks. Took the restrictor plate off, give the Red Dragon a little more juice. But let's keep that on the down low. It's not exactly street legal.
But I don't think we I don't think we punched it out. I think it is still stock bore, but I don't remember. Shame on me. I should be better than that, but here we are. I'm not, so there you go. Screw you. Just kidding.
He's a big dumb animal, isn't he, folks?
But yeah, anyway, big block Chevrolet. It's pretty traditional. It's got an air gap on it. Yeah, nothing really crazy. Just kind of your regular hot rod stuff. Holly double pumper, air gap, cam, headers, that type of deal. So this thing, we started this thing up last weekend for the first time in, I think she said it was 10 years since this car has really run, I believe. So that's pretty cool. The wiring is an absolute mess on this thing, so I'm going to just start from scratch with that. I got it fired up with some temporary wiring here, as you can see my alligator connectors and all that fun crap. But when I say this thing was a mess, it was a mess. There's solid core house wiring in it, there's all sorts of wire nuts and crap like that. Let's see if we can take a gander upon that. See, look at that. Look at that. That's for your doorbell. Not for your ignition switch, your temporary stupid switch. Junk. But, so, yeah, we're gonna bring this thing back to its former glory and get it running and reliable and stopping, that type of deal. So But yeah, why don't you you guys stick around and just watch a little bit, you know? Why don't you have a beverage, perhaps? You know, that 45-year-old can of Olympia you got hiding in the back of the fridge. This car wants you to drink it. This is from that era. Go ahead. Might get a little sick, but why don't you shotgun it?